Congratulations on completing this first module on data analysis in business. Let's recap some key concepts that you covered. In Lesson 1, you were introduced to the course and syllabus, explored some tips for successfully completing the course, and engaged with your peers. In the second lesson, you learned more about the essential role data analysis play in businesses, helping them collect, organize, analyze, and understand their data. Data analysis can help businesses gain insights from their data, identify the cause of problems, uncover trends, and make decisions that can improve business performance. You were introduced to the stages of data analysis and the interconnected roles available within this process, from data engineers to business intelligence or BI analysts. You also explored some important skills data analysts need to succeed in their role, including non-technical skills like effective communication and understanding end-user needs. In Lesson 3, you examined the stages of data analysis in more depth. These stages include identifying the problem or purpose of the analysis, collecting, processing data and analyzing data, data visualization and report sharing, and implementing insights and recommendations. You learned that gathering the right data is fundamental to an analysis that is relevant and useful. Understanding the purpose of your analysis will inform the type and scope of data that is correct for the analysis. You then explore the processing and analyzing stages of data analysis some more. Processing involves transforming raw data in preparation for analysis, and analysis involves analyzing the processed data and generating insights. You are briefly introduced to the extract, transform, load, or ETL processing method, and learned about DAX calculations and visualizations in data analysis. You also learned about some factors to consider before sharing reports with stakeholders, including the accessibility, visual appeal, and security of your report, as well as data storage and refresh schedules. You discovered the importance of understanding stakeholder experience and applying this to data visualization and analysis to more effectively convey data insights. You learned how data insights can drive informed business decisions and lead to improvements like increased customer satisfaction. You then explored some best practices for stakeholders and data analysts to follow to drive business decisions, including collecting data from multiple sources, regular data analysis, encouraging data-driven culture, and collaboration and insight sharing, and investing in the right tools and technology. You also had the opportunity to apply the knowledge gained in the lesson by evaluating an analysis process. Finally, you were introduced to Microsoft Power BI and its many benefits, including its user-friendly interface, rich visualizations, and advanced analytics. You learned how to navigate Power BI's user's interface, set up your own Power BI desktop environment, view a report, and generate interactive visualizations. You now know more about the role of a data analyst, the data analysis process, the role data analysts play in business, and Power BI as a tool for data analysis. With the foundational knowledge you've gained, you are ready to move on to your next lesson on harnessing the power of data in Power BI.